Executive Club, and those of you joining us from our onboard alliance partners. May I remind you, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. This must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening the overhead lockers, we ask that you please take care as items may have moved, could fall out, and cause an injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of any other smoking device is not permitted on our flight today. This includes our toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi service for all our Executive Club members to enjoy on our flight today. In a few minutes, you will be able to connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join the Executive Club by simply going onto our website, which is shop.ba.com. You can access all free messaging and discover all offers available. The power will be available as soon as the seatbelt signs have been switched off. We do ask that all phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. And do know that video and vocals are not permitted on our flight today. We're now about to start our onboard service. If you have any food allergies or would like information on specific food allergens on our flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those passengers sat in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering a choice of meal and drinks from our bar. In Eurotravel, we'll be serving pre-purchased items from our high cafe service. This will then be followed by a snack and a bottle of water with our compliments. We invite you now to sit back and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.